Welcome to Talytic, the platform that shows you which hiring decisions actually lead to high-performing, long-tenured employees. Instead of just time to hire and cost to hire, Talytic connects your hiring data to real performance outcomes so you can see what's truly driving success. If you're a Teamtailor user, getting started couldn't be easier. Go to the Settings, Marketplace, and type in Talytic. When you're ready, just hit Activate. Go to talytic.io/signup and enter your details to create an account. If an API key hasn't automatically appeared in this box, jump back to Teamtailor to create a new one. You can do that in your settings, scroll down to API keys, create a new key, call that key Talytic, set it on the admin scope, and hit create. You only need read access. Copy that key and paste it here. You're ready to go. Your dashboard will look something like this. We're currently offering free hiring performance audits to new customers, where you'll get a clear view on what's happened in your hiring over the last 12 months. We surface patterns in how decisions are made, where risks or friction kept in, and where your process supported better outcomes. You can sign up in your dashboard using the banner. A full data protection agreement is available to download. In 14 days, your audit will be complete. We'll walk you through the findings on a debrief call and highlight the biggest drivers and risks. If you choose not to keep your data in Talytic, you can delete everything from the audit permanently by clicking Delete Your Data here. Sign up at talytic.io to claim your free hiring performance audit today.